Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Soil is tough in this area, lots of stones and roots as well. But we have a great tool for the job, that's the digging spork. And the digging spork is a wonderful tool. It makes life an awful lot easier in the garden. Sharp Swedish boron steel. And instead of digging with a flat blade like a spade, you're cutting through soil an awful lot better. Ash handle, all hand forged in one piece. We have never broken one, so really tough and hard, and we're using them for years and years in the nursery. So decent sized planting hole we're planting a balloon flower today, and balloon flowers are wonderful, totally hardy perennial, come back year after year and are as tough as old boots. I love them. The flowers when they come out first are like balloons, and then they open out into, I'll show you now, into flowers like that. So they're closed like a balloon first and then open out like that. Yes, that's Platycodon grandiflora, a balloon flower. So you'll find it in the web shop under balloon flower. So a couple of handfuls of Super Thrive at the bottom. Very important to use a good planting fertilizer. Super Thrive is slowly released for the plant, reduces plant shock when you're planting it, and it's slowly released and will condition that poor soil that's at the bottom of the planting hole. So very important to use Super Thrive when you're planting hedging in trees and perennial flowers like we're doing here. Now, to spoil the balloon flower another little bit, we're going to add some Swellwell compost as well. It's kind of a pound for the planting and a penny for the plants. So the more effort you put in when you're planting, the better your plants will be. So we have some Swellwell compost mixed in at the bottom of the planting hole here as well as the Super Thrive, and some for back in around the plant again. So out he comes out of his pot. He's just appeared over soil level recently and ready to flower in summer, and of course it'll be here for years and years to come, giving us lots of flowers. And this is a really tough, hardy perennial that's well worth planting and often forgotten about. So that's balloon flower. So we'll just take that label off there in case we stand on them in the future. It's amazing how you can get what you've planted in an area and do more harm by digging them up again. So that's a balloon flower settled in there for years and years to come. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.